Hello, and welcome back, I think, if there's anyone out there watching. So, quarantine has gotten to me, and I keep scouring Facebook Marketplace every day for new and exciting things to buy. And the other day, I had this wild idea that in order to clear out some space in my toolbox, I was going to buy another toolbox to put some of the stuff that I don't use all the time in, and I can kind of tuck it off to the side or put it in a different room of the house or whatever. So I picked up this sweet Harbor Freight roll around for 45 bucks this afternoon, and the previous owner was nice enough to leave me with cigarette butts, some various nuts and bolts and things. And I probably overpaid, but I think they're about 150 bucks new for this little model. But overall, it's in solid shape, like everything works. So that's good. Oh, look at that. Cool. I got a broken brake cleaner. All right. I didn't even know all this shit was in here. Empty oil filter container? Nope, there's an oil filter in there. I don't know what that's for. We'll have to look that up later. Wow, cool. Some sort of crappy Ford part. Thermostat? Okay, got a thermostat. Wow. Maybe it was worth $45. Man. Some sort of like PCV looking valve there. Ooh, Roloc discs that had been used. So that's sweet. Oh, some iridium spark plugs. Hell yeah, brother. Weather strip adhesive that may or may not be completely toasted. Some RTV. Oh, that's cool. It's like $3 right there. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this thing out, get it kind of polished up, or polish a turd as they say, and put some of my tools in it. I think I'm gonna do a garage walkthrough for the channel, and I'll include that in a separate video. All right, y'all, so a little pro tip. If you're a tech or a mechanic or just a DIY at-home person, right, don't ever let your toolbox get this bad. This is disgusting. There's just like oil and crap caked all on the bottom. There was oil over here. See how the top is the paint's starting to come off because there's been so much stuff, like chemicals and such, on the top here. And also, if you do get stuff oily, invest in Purple Power or a similar like Simple Green, some kind of degreaser, soap and water, whatever, to help clean some of this stuff up. It should never get this bad, but if you're like me and you buy something off of Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and you need to clean it up, use these and some water. I'm hoping I don't have to break out the pressure washer. I'm gonna try to just do the Purple Power, spray everything down, kind of scrub it real good and go from there, but we shall see here in a few minutes. Alright, so did a second round with Purple Power, wiped it down with the Scotch-Brite pad, and there's still, a good bit of residue on here. So I'm going to take some soap and water, spray it down, wipe it down with a cloth, and then go from there. Alright, so we got it pretty well cleaned up. Most of the grease and stuff off of there. So what I'm going to do now, since Harbor Freight isn't known for their quality, and this is probably hasn't been used lightly, so these hinges are a little wobbly. This one they put a bolt in instead of having the rivet there. So I'm going to drill these rivets out, replace them so that these will be a little better again, and Then once this dries, I'm gonna polish it back up, because you can see that the Scotch-Brite has taken some of the sheen off of it. So I'll get a little wax and polish it back up, and it should be better than it was, but not as good as new. So I went ahead and replaced all of the rivets throughout here and on the back, and it's a lot more solid now. Closes a little bit better. So still not perfect, but for what I need it for, it'll be good. So now I'm going to clean this up a little bit more and blow it out with the air blower, and then I'll start polishing the paint back up. Alright, so it's all polished up. You can see that it's still not perfect. It's probably been beat up for a couple of years, but the just did a little polishing compound on it to get some of the Scotch-Brite scratches off, and then threw a little wax over the top, make it look a little bit better. It's a used toolbox, so you can definitely go more detailed. If you're going to completely redo a toolbox, you could repaint the whole thing, but for 45 bucks, it's going to work for what I need it to and not look as ugly. So in here, I'm going to try to scrape the rest of this, loose stuff off down here, and then I'm going to get the liners from, I don't know, either Harbor Freight or on Amazon, and I'll put liners in all these drawers so that they look a little bit better and the tools don't slide around. So finish vacuuming that out, get some of this excess plastic off, and then it'll be good to go. Alright, it is officially all cleaned up. So scraped off as much of this stuff as I could. The tray liner, or the toolbox liner, is going to cover all this, and it won't cover this, but that's not really that big of a deal. There's no rust on it, so that's good. It's all solid, all cleaned up. Got the bottom cleaned up, and yeah, ready to put some tools in it. This is my current one that I've had since, 2010, 2011, so almost 10 years now. And it's got all the stickers and stuff, and so I need to get some more stickers for this bad boy. Alright, so I found some stickers in the big toolbox. I don't know who got me these, but I have like a 75 pack of Bucky stickers, so I have 3 left over, and there's already a whole bunch right here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those on here, and then an extra G-Force Racing Gear sticker. For my whopping 10 subscribers, if any of y'all have stickers you want to donate, and you already know my address, or you can text me, or you can send an email to betterthanitwas20@gmail.com, and I can send you the address to ship them to. If you've got extra stickers laying around you want to get rid of, I'll throw them on the box, and you'll have a little piece of the channel.